Hey guys! So today I am a little bit late on the trend, but I am mixing all of my foundations. This is by some of you guys' requests. And I was like, it's an easy video to film, but it's also fun and interesting, so why not? And I just want to say, obviously, I don't have as much foundations as most of these videos do, but I still thought it was an interesting concept that I wanted to test out. So let's get started. This is so ratchet. I don't know where to mix it. I have an eyelash thing. This is not a professional video. I'm gonna be mixing my foundations in an empty lash tray. I cleaned it because this is gonna go on my face. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with my high-end foundations because I can see most of them right now. I'm going in with 1 pump of the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just popping it right in here. Then I'm taking 1 pump of the Fenty foundation. Oh, this is so satisfying. And then I'm going in with 1 pump, obviously, of my MAC Match Master foundation. Whoa, this is really thick for some reason, like me. This doesn't have a pump, so it's gonna be interesting. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And I'm just gonna like put in 1 spatula of this, which does have a good amount of product and foundation on there. So let's see how this is gonna work. I'm just gonna scrape it like on the sides of the container. I don't really like this foundation, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 1 pump. This is like the only drugstore foundation that actually has a pump. Next I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me. And again, this doesn't have a pump, so I'm just gonna kind of like eye it out. Okay, next I'm going in with the Maybelline Ready Set it's CoverGirl, whoops, sorry. With the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. My voice just left. Next I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, but this is the dewy version, so the other one was the matte. And going in with a little bit. It just like dripped so fast. Okay, I think that was a little bit more than a pump, but I think we're good. I reacted fast. Okay, now we're gonna mix this. Let me just show you a close-up of how this looks. These are all my foundations. You can tell there's some different shades, especially this one right over here. And I'm just gonna mix these together. Okay, so that's mixed. That was nice and fast. I am going to put on some primer because I feel like that's how I would judge this in a fair way. I'm going in with Fenty, the Fenty Pro Filter, and just quickly putting this all over my face. I'm gonna go on first with like whatever's on this brush and just put it on. I am gonna work in sections though, because I don't know if this is gonna dry fast or slow. I feel like this is too dark for me though. I don't know. Guys, I actually like the finish of this a lot. Like, a lot. I'm gonna clean up my brows with a little bit of foundation just so that I don't cover them. Okay, you guys, I don't know what to say about this foundation. I'm not that picky with foundations, you guys know that. So Rosa says I look orange. Yeah, I feel like it's oxidizing a little bit though. But I like how it feels on my skin though. Like, it's not too sticky and the coverage is definitely medium. So what I'm gonna do, just to judge it fairly, is do the rest of my makeup like just a base. I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I should have mixed my powders too. Should I mix my powders? I think I'm gonna go the extra mile. I've been loving doing this over here. It makes such a difference in the contour aspect. Now I'm gonna mix my powders because I can, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna mix my powders on this other tray, and once again, I don't have that many powders. I feel like that's an area where people just don't have as much variety, but I'm gonna put some Laura Mercier powder. Just like that much. I don't even know how much. I'm gonna put some of the RCMA No Color Powder. James Charles did this thing where he mixed all his powders and he really liked it, so hopefully mine turns out nice as well. Next, I'm going in with Coty Airspun powder. Next, I'm going in with the NYC Smooth Skin Translucent Setting Powder. This is one of my favorite powders in existence. And then lastly, I'm scared about this one because this one actually has flashback, like it's a fact. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. The name says it all, it's brightening, so it does have flashback. And I never use this, so I'm okay with wasting some of it. It's so finely milled though, like I love that about it. So this is what all the powders look like. I'm just gonna mix these in. You can tell there's many color differences in here. Okay, so powder is mixed and I'm just gonna blend out all the creases and just dip into the powder. Bake my under eye area like I always do first. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. I literally spilled. You're such a baby. All of the powder. Don't worry, we still got some in here, don't worry, but it's all over my hands. I mean, I'm not gonna waste, like honestly, I'm just gonna pat it onto my face. I'm wearing black pants. That wasn't a good idea. Okay, well, I'm just setting the rest of my face with way too much powder. This is Give Me Sun by MAC. Okay, and next I'm going in with some highlight. This is the Everglow highlight by Nikki Tutorials. I'm just wiping away the bake that was underneath my eyes. And I am gonna do the flashback test just to see if that Laura Mercier powder I added into the mix adds flashback or not. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure there is flashback actually. I'm gonna insert the picture just so you guys can see. Not gonna lie, my skin genuinely looks like really smooth. It looks really nice actually. This is my foundation, mixing my foundation and powders kind of thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of experiment with me. That is it for today's video and I will see you in my next one. Love you.